Open the Unity Hub program. Then make a new file using the Universal Render pipeline. In the Asset folder, delete all subfolders except the folder called Settings. Navigate to the Assets menu, then choose the submenu Import Package. Choose the Unity 3D package with the Airbus A320 Cockpit. The import of the whole package that you have purchased will take some time. Then you can see all files in Unity 3D. Navigate to the Scenes folder and click on the cockpit icon. Note that there is a red warning message. This message says that you will have to install the add-on package Mesh Baker. This is a commercial product which is about $60. We purchased this already and can install now this software package. This will take some time. As soon as the add-on Mesh Baker is installed, we can run the scene and see the cockpit in its full glory. Use the keyboard for navigation and the mouse right-click to turn the view. We now maximize the play area to use the full screen. Therefore we have to stop the scene and start it again. Note the high frame rate on this wide screen. We run this project on a PC with Intel 7 processor and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 card. Note, the display units in this version are not animated. These are just images and should be animated by the software engineer who works with this Unity 3D package. If we change to night mode, then we can see all the lights and the background illumination of all buttons. Check out the overhead panels and the different light switches too. Just like in the real Airbus cockpit, you need to turn the integral lights on in order to see the description of the panels. This is the floodlight for the central pedestal. Every switch and every circuit breaker is animated. Here we check out the rear panel and pull some circuit breakers. Let's switch on the annunciator light test on the overhead panel. We have the option to display two types of ADIRS panels. We use this toggle switch now. In addition, we have implemented two types of cargo panels on the right side. The extension of the emergency compass is also animated. Check the guarded switches for then fire extinguisher push buttons. To rotate any switch you can use the mouse wheel or just the left mouse button and a turning movement. Left and right mouse click will do a push or pull function. Flaps and speed brake levers move smoothly with the mouse wheel. The emergency gear lever would also turn 3 times clockwise, just as in the real Airbus cockpit. This concludes our demonstration video. If you would like to buy this full-fledged cockpit, please contact us. Thank you.